I'm recording now. You done it? You fucking done it?
Don't cough. Don't cough.
Has he done it? No, it fucking smells. You done it? Oh, you phone it. You're right, mate.
It's fucking stinking.
You done it? Open wide.
He's crying.
Don't worry, you can do it.
Your tongue looks fucking weird.
Yeah. Mate, that's fucking little nibbles there. You done it. Wait, I need a pot of cinnamon for proof.
See, it's harder than you think, isn't it?
Ground fucking cinnamon.
It's harder than
I
you
guarantee.
think, isn't it?
Try and get rid of all that shit on your tongue. We can lick it up. Yeah?
Fucking horrible, isn't it?
Yeah, fucking...
Huh?
Still dirty tongue, but don't worry, I think that's...
See, I didn't.
You can't
I
do
did
much
it, but you
about
didn't
that.
fucking get it on camera, did you?
Are you going to try and do it again?
Huh?
Yeah, that's good. So you got poo on your tongue now. Yeah!
It just makes your eyes water, that's it.
Yeah. Alright, I'm stopping now.
Water, though.
The thing, it made me. I threw up after it because I fucking hated it.
Mate, that's genuine shit right there. Guinness World Book of
It
Records.
doesn't make you throw up, it just... I'll do a shot of water, man.
Bye bye.